new Champlain bridge. The lane on the right was for buses. There's a lane for buses, and the middle is for an electric train, which is not finished yet, but should be soon. This is the bridge most people from the US crosses, because if I were to continue and not turn here, it would take me to the US in around 40 minutes or 30 minutes. So I don't live very far from the US. I'm really close. You can see the bridge from here also. It looks tiny because my camera is on wide angle, but it's big. It's pretty also, like all of here. You can see the city in the back with the Montreal. Just a fun fact for you guys, in the city of Montreal, there's a mount called Montreal, and this mount is the highest point buildings can be constructed. So nothing can be higher than the Mount Royal. They did that to preserve the mountain and its viewpoint, basically, to preserve it over time. Hope you guys enjoyed this little crossing of the bridge, and thank you for watching. Peace. If you want to see more, let me know.